In this video, we start doing some street tuning, we start getting into boost, and we get caught in tornado storm weather. Holy crap! No! No, roll it up! It's gonna be a ride, let's go. Alright, I got her pushed out of the shop. She's charging, so that way I can try and dial in the mass airflow sensor. Hopefully I can make it work. But she fires up. I did have to... I apparently really didn't think about it with the boost pipe here. So I did kind of have to clock it a little more that way to raise it up, because it was hitting the shifting fork on top of the transmission. Not that big of a deal. So I've just kind of been working on getting this thing started. I'll take y'all along for a little bit of the ride, what I'm kind of going through. And technically we made a little bit of boost. We made above barometric pressure, which it's boost, but I'm just trying to get the idle dialed in, keep it running, so that way we can actually take it for a drive and continue to tweak the thing. Let's go ahead and do it. And Shannon's hanging out for the adventure. How's it smell in here? Oh yeah, I didn't get the belt situated. Got a little bit shorter of a belt. Would not go on, so it's kind of burning up. It's not the kind of burnt rubber I thought I'd be doing, but it's some sort of burnt rubber. All right, let's see if we can get this thing running. So this is what I've been dealing with, aside from batteries dying and trying to get this thing to run right, in which we kind of have to wait for our lambda AFR gauge to warm up before I can even start recording. And it's just been a lot of this, just trying to get her fired up. Damn belt. But I gotta wait for this to heat up so it actually starts reading. Kind of bouncing all over the place. Let's go ahead and we'll start scanning. So we're definitely a little rich. Got another temp going on here. It actually idled, so that's good news. We're getting there though. Finally got her idling a little bit. Definitely still needs a tune. Woo! You can hear that turbo and the exhaust. Belt finally stopped squeaking. I don't know, we'll see if we can take her for a spin. Well, we're gonna take her for a spin. Hopefully it goes well. Nice and easy. I got Apollo in the car. He's always down for a ride. And then the lovely Miss Shannon. She don't want to be on camera. I don't blame her. What?
Rude.
I didn't mean it like that. All right, let's see if we can squeaky bell. I can find reverse. That's still not reverse. Reverse! Where is reverse? I think we got it. Oh.
That's forward.
I'll put something else I gotta sort out. Why? Alright, y'all don't hit the gate.
I'll try.
Try not to hit the gate. There we go. We got reverse. We got reverse. Oh crap. There.
Oh God.
There you go. There's reverse.
It's so loud.
All right. Now I just need to hold on while I put it in reverse.
Oh my God. Is it supposed to make that sound?
No, it's not supposed to be doing that. I don't know why it was doing that. Okay. Oh Lord. I don't know. It was doing pretty well there. It's just because it still needs tuning. Sometimes it will do that. Did you hear that?
I'm turning this off.
First drive! First drive! I don't think we're gonna make any boost, but woo, that belt is squeaky. I gotta figure out this reverse situation. Right, Apollo. So we gotta figure out the belt. Why it's not going in the reverse. Is the belt just stop squeaking? Oh, we're just gonna go all kinds of down the freeway. Let's just start making some boost, shall we? Hold this. No. We're just going for a spin. Yeah, it's locked. Yeah, cars aren't looking terrible. Getting some new areas. What do you think, Shannon? Can we make it to the store and back? You're like, I hope so.
We have to.
Oh no, reduce power mode, reduce power mode. No, 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 no.
I should have put out a bra.
Clear DTCs. Watch out, Apollo, you're all up on me. Okay, we'll just stop it there. You probably should have brought a gun.
Fantastic.
We got a dog. Come on, you can do it.
I feel like I should like fall behind you in my car in case you need a ride home.
Probably. All right, let's give it a second. Oh my Lord. We're almost there. We're almost there. She wants to pop off. I'm just gonna turn around and we'll go get your car. Come on, you can do it. I know, Apollo. He huffed.
Why is it not working?
Because it needs to be tuned. That's what I've been doing all day long. except it's all new to me. It's like someone getting on Adobe Illustrator and they're like, I'm gonna design something. And it went into low power mode. Down for a hike to go get your car?
Should have worn a bra.
What do you need your bra for? You're on a dark road.
Oh, fantastic.
That was the exhaust. Alright. Let me read the DTC. Yes. Clear the DTCs. Okay, let's take this stuff real quick. I think I got it. The battery almost died. Had to write another tune to it, and we're just gonna limp it back to the shop in first gear at 1,000 something RPMs. As long as we don't have to stop or do anything weird, I think we'll be okay. What do you think, Shannon?
I think it was an adventure.
Hey, you stop scratching on the door. We'll just pull it right back into the shop until really just kind of need a dyno day with someone that knows what they're doing. Back in the shop you go. That shop's a mess. Well, I think that's gonna be that. Alright, it's another day. Got the car pushed out of the shop. Let's see if we can take her for a spin and continue working on this tune. Our AFRs are looking pretty good. Made some adjustments. And hopefully it'll do the trick and we can actually get this thing driving. So we'll just do some cruising around. No pun intended. We're gonna stay close just in case I have to walk back to the shop. See if we can get a little more out of it. And of course it starts pouring down, which is okay. Just don't want to have to walk in this crap. I think she's running well enough that I'm going to venture out on the road. Alright, I'm not sure why she wants to pull out some timing once I start putting it under load. We do got quite a bit of advance going on. So we're just kind of making our way around some of these side roads. And our engine just died. Let's go ahead and toss that in gear. Get her going again. It's one of the things about, you know, if you're tuning and actually got the car moving, you can always toss it back into gear with a manual transmission car. But I can definitely hear, I mean, we're getting closer to running some boost. Alright, so I'm going to go over to Spark. Advance. I'm just going to pull about 5 degrees out of everything. See if that helps. So we have to add -5 there. Dual pulse mode, whatever the heck that means. But these are the main tables. Come over here and pull out 5 degrees, and we'll do it to the rest of these tables just to be safe. Come over to our log here. Just going to copy this, and it's looking pretty good. This is the percentage of fuel it's wanting to add. So we'll just copy this, and then we're going to go over to airflow versus frequency for our math, because we're basing this on a math calculation, and we're going to do multiply by half so we can kind of slowly inch towards where it needs to be. And for every single time I write a new tune, make some changes, just save it as a new file. So that way we can always go back to our previous tune file just in case things get a little funky. And we'll go ahead and we'll write that bad boy. Alright, we got her all written up. Let's connect to the car. We'll start scanning. And I'm initially starting the scan to just kind of see what my vitals are doing here. All right, so we'll stop that. We'll hit record. And let's just go ahead and take her for a spin around the parking lot. Looks like pulling at 5 degrees out helped quite a bit. I've only hit 2 on the knock retard this far. She seems to be a little happier. I got my idle up at about 1500 RPM right now, just to kind of keep this thing going, and as we fine tune it, we'll lower it down. All right, I'm feeling comfortable enough that I think we're gonna go for a little bit of a cruise. I want to put about 250 miles on this thing, another 250, and then we'll just keep tuning it, and then we can start rugging on it and make some boost. Just taking it nice and easy. Just kind of going stoplight to stoplight, get some city driving in. Get some E85. All right, that was productive. Got some gas in. She's running pretty good. We'll go back and look at our log, make some changes, and go for another drive. But do you see that? You see that? We're making 2 pounds of boost at some point. Everything's looking pretty good so far. Coolant's nice and topped off. Starting to get a little more color into the manifold. Fan's still fine. Doesn't seem like we're melting anything over here. I think I'll toss in my fender liner here. Ooh, this thing got flimsy after it got warm, which I guess is fine, not a big deal. Looks like our oil leak is situated. The belt stopped squeaking finally. We'll let her cool down for a little while. Toss in our new tune. And then let's start pushing the boost a little more. I've let the car sit for a few hours. Engine temp is, it's gonna be cold start. Wrote my tune, and I'm gonna do a startup, and we'll do a little more driving. Your tits in the road. Come in for that landing. Come in. We're continuing tuning the car and just doing a lot of driving. Look at this. Isn't that awesome, mural? We're downtown Houston, not too far from home. I figured city driving, 500 miles, let's do some city driving, right? And you can't deny, even though it's a wet and rainy night, how awesome this is. It's awesome. We got tornado warnings. We got light shows going on. Yeah, we're going back to the shop. That'll end this session of tuning. Holy crap. I think I'm going towards the bridge. I can't see. I'm doing like my old man would do. I don't even know if this is the right exit. I'm pretty sure it's not. Oh, I can't see anything. Oh my God. This is crazy.
Okay, we're just gonna get wet, okay?
No.
Roll the windows down.
No. I got it. I got it.
Really?
I do. I got this. I can see. I can barely see a white line. Holy crap. So we got like, okay, you can see this line over here, right? I see it. I see it.
I see it.
Oh my God. Oh my God. The water is splashing so bad. Holy crap. All right, I just want to get home. Oh.
Not a bridge. You have to see.
I'm trying to see, but I can't. Holy crap. No, roll it up. Roll it up. Roll it up.
It's rolled up.
I can see the feeder. I can see the feeder. I got this. I got this.
So drenched.
Roll your. Okay, I got it. I got it. I got it. Oh.
It's gonna be.
Oh. No. Roll it.
Roll it down.
No. Roll it up.
This is a terrible idea. We were just supposed to go to the gas station.
No, this was a great idea. This is insane. Shit, I cannot see. We're crossing over lanes. Oh my God! Holy shit! I cannot see a fucking lane. Keep wiping, please.
You said you needed my hands out of the way.
This is insane. Indeed. Alright, we're gonna get back to the shop and then go home.
It's like lighting up in the window.
I know. Like the camera makes it seem so much brighter, but it's really not. Ooh.
Oh, that's about the same.
Look, no. Look here. Look. Maybe we need to follow the camera. Hold it there. Tell me to go left or right. I think the camera's like almost like night vision.
I can't tell.
Oh my Lord. We literally made it back to the shop so we can go home. We're stuck. This is why I did not put the intake into the fender well. Oh my Lord. I'm gonna walk back to the shop and grab Shannon's car. There's a what? I just want to get home. Oh my God. Holy crap. I hope you enjoyed that video. It was getting pretty sketchy outside. The car died right before we got to the shop area. However, I did manage to jump start it. We got soaked. It was quite an adventure, and some tornadoes did touch down not too far from here. So luckily, you know, they weren't in our paths. So we're gonna continue working on tuning the car. Let's fix our belt. The main thing I'm working on is getting the idle right, just putting some miles on it so I can kind of break the clutch in, and then we can take it to a dyno or get some help with the tune. Thanks for tuning in. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Until next time, peace out with your peace out.